In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation on Canva in just 20 minutes. If you've been searching for a straightforward and efficient way to craft a compelling presentation, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. You're going to type in the word presentation. This will lead you to a plethora of design options tailored specifically for creating presentations. It's a wonderful starting point as Canva provides a diverse range of templates that can suit various presentation topics and styles. Clicking enter will bring up a wide variety of templates. Take a moment to explore these options. You'll notice there are themed templates, each designed to help convey your message with aesthetic flair. Keep scrolling through them until you find one that resonates with your presentation's theme or message. Selecting the right template is crucial. It sets the tone and provides a cohesive visual narrative. Once you've chosen the template that speaks to you, click on it to start customizing. You'll see a Customize this template button. Giving this a click will open up the editor where the magic truly happens. This is where you can transform the template into something uniquely yours. Now it's time to edit the text. Click on any text box within the template and begin typing your own content. Canva's intuitive interface makes this an effortless task. You can adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to match your brand or personal preference. Don't forget to tailor the messaging to your audience. Engaging and concise text can significantly enhance the impact of your presentation. As you continue to customize, consider making use of Canva's library of images, icons, and elements. These resources can add extra visual interest, helping to illustrate your points more vividly. Remember to keep your slides visually balanced. Too much clutter can distract from the message. Once you're satisfied with the text and layout, give your presentation one last review. Check for consistency in fonts and colors, ensuring that everything aligns with your initial vision. Also, take advantage of Canva's preview feature to see how your presentation will look in full screen mode. This can help you make any final adjustments. And there you have it, a polished presentation created on Canva in just 20 minutes. You can download your finished project in various formats, such as PDF or as a PowerPoint file, making it versatile for different presentation settings. Thank you for following along, and soon enough you'll be crafting presentations with confidence in no time at all. Happy designing.